Let's try this. You might already be too mad. That's actually a pretty good job.
What's Zoe doing?
Is this Zoe's first food?
Yeah. I want that.
No, Heather, you don't want that.
Huh?
You don't want that.
Yes, I do want that.
What is it? What is Zoe Bell eating?
I don't know.
Ellie, make a good zombie face.
I want the wasabi. I want wasabi bell.
You want to watch her eat?
She's doing a good job. Wow.
That's soy bell. That's mommy. That's soy bell. Goodbye. Goodbye.